Hi dolls, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a fashion try on haul, but nonetheless this is a slay on a budget. So everything that I'm showing you is under $50. So excuse my mic, but the first item that I have is this sequence dress. So guys, I'm going to try to state my size first and then I'll move on to describing the dress. So I am a size medium in this dress and it fits me oh so well. I will show a clip on the side of me posing in this dress. I did an eyeshadow look to match the dress, so you already know I had to rock this in the video. I absolutely love this. This has gold sequence leaves on it. It's just really bomb for the holidays or a birthday. If you have a birthday coming up, this will be the perfect slay. And all the accessories that you would like to add to it, I will maybe add like a sleek jacket just to throw over me if you don't want too much showing. You can also add a bra to boost the titties up, and you can add like a clutch and some bomb sequence heels to match the sequence dress. Dress is $29.99. Like I said, all of these items that I'm going to be showing you is under $50. So we're going to be slaying on a budget. I also love this because my favorite statement piece is gold. I love gold jewelry, gold anything. I love it. Plus, to add the two colors, blue and the green, to it is just such a compliment to this dress. Not to mention, it's really short, but it's not short to where it comes past the buttocks. Moving right along, I'm going to go on to this jacket. So we have this beautiful mauve jacket, which comes in so many varieties of colors that you can choose from. But not only yet does it come in so many colors, it is also very affordable. This jacket will run you about $19.99. So instead of getting a $100 jacket just to be warm in, this jacket is really warm and it will save you some coins. And also you can save more coins by using my code, which is XX Brianamccalip. I will leave it somewhere on this screen, and if I don't leave it on the screen, I will leave it in the description bar below. Love this jacket. It's really pretty, and the jeans that they sent, it goes right along and complements this jacket as well. You can be cute and chill with this jacket on. So if you're just kicking it with the girls, or if you're just going out on errands, this jacket will keep you warm. Plus, it will have you looking slayage. Not to mention, this jacket has side pockets. It is 100% polyester, and it has a zipper plus buttons so that you can stay really warm. Next up, we have these beautiful jeans. They are called the Alter Ego jeans. These jeans are a size 7, so I usually pick a 9, but sometimes they still have a little bit of room. But I like my jeans to feel like they're skin tight, so I choose a size 7 instead of a size 9. So if you want something more roomy, please go a size up, but I chose a size 7. But they fit perfectly fine. It just had a little hard time getting them up, but don't worry, it's not going to happen no more this year. This will be gone. These jeans will run you about $42.99. These jeans really looked so pretty with this red jacket that I had on, and it also looked cute with the jacket that I had on previous. You can rock a t-shirt with these and tuck them in while having some cute pumps on, like some booties, or you can dress it up. You can have a pretty shirt that is V-cut, something long and floral, and some pointy toe shoes will complement these jeans so well. Like I said, any type of outfit or shirt and accessories that go with these jeans can be dressed up or down. And then that they're being high-waisted, it kind of sucks you in and show your curves a little bit. You already know all Fashion Nova jeans give you a booty, honey, because it's a little something there, but Fashion Nova jeans make it look like it's 10 times there. Next item, or this next slayage piece, reminds me so much of Kim K. She had this latex dress on and it reminds me so much of that, but it's not latex. It's like something coated on there. Jacket is so bomb, y'all. Y'all saw me wearing it with the titty part. Y'all can do it just like that. Just add y'all little tape on the side, baby, and come out here fierce, honey. Come out here fierce with the jeans. Same material as the jacket. Leggings on with that one because it perfectly matches, and I will put black with this. Black, red, and white. Size jacket that I'm wearing is a medium. Most of my outfits are a medium, so if you ask what size it is, I'm most likely going to tell you a medium. The only thing that I got in a large is the jacket that I just showed you. It's tight, but not so much. Wears to the point where you can scrunch it up and have this little style going on. Next slash outfit that I have for you lovely dolls is the Angeline midi stripe dress, y'all. I have this in a size medium, and it is everything. This states to me that this is very classy. Like, if I put this on, I look like I'm on my business or something. This is too classy, and it goes down to the ankles, like you know, church or something. So this goes down to the ankles, because you know they gotta wear stuff down to their ankles. Well, some churches, but don't get me wrong. But anyways, yes, this is pretty, and I would pair with some pointies. Y'all know I love me some pointies. Like, I just love me some pointies. A sweater dress, so if it's cold outside, you will have a sweater on, but in a dress style. I think it's 20% nylon, y'all. If you don't want too much cleavage showing in the front, since it has a front zipper on it, you can zip it up. But if you want to show some tatas like me, you can zip that boy on down. This next item that I have to slay for you guys is this bomb jumpsuit. Oh my god, I would pair this with a jacket, a black rock star kind of jacket, like with the buttons detailed on it, have it hanging off the shoulder like this, and some black booties. Oh my god, it's so fire. Everything. And it has a zipper in the front where you can show your titties, and you can not show your titties if you don't want them showing. You can zip them on up. Dress, I have a size medium in this one, which I should have got a size large because it was kind of tight on me. If I was to get this jumpsuit again, I would have gotten a size large so that it can fit me snug. I mean, no, not snug, so that it can be a little bit loose than what it was, but it's perfectly fine. I can still rock it. This dress will run you about $22.99, available in black and red, and it's sleeveless. So like I said, you can pair the jacket with it and some sunglasses. Stunning on them. It's a scoop neck, and it is skinny leg. So towards the bottom, it's skinny. And watch me slay, hey, and watch me slay, hey, and watch me slay, hey. Next piece that I have reminds me so much of Role Model. I don't know if y'all know who that is, but she's a cold makeup artist in Chicago, and she loves wearing stuff like this, honey. This is a two-piece set, y'all. She loves wearing them with sneakers. So I did ask for sneakers, but they didn't send me those. So I would have to go purchase them, but I would play this with some sneakers. So this set is We Can Cuddle Up set in the shade baby blue. Now I will pair this with the sneakers that they have on their site. It's like these rhinestone sneakers that are baby blue as well, to match the set. And I will play this with a baby blue baseball cap, and if not, I would just wear my head just like this and slay on them. Can be dressed up or down, but this just says to me sneakers. I don't know why, but it just does. Like I said, it reminds me of Role Model, and I absolutely love this two-piece. Out just to go have fun. This two-piece says everything. Springtime, but it's not spring. Dress is $39.99. It's fuzzy. It has a long sleeve crop top with a high-waisted mini skirt. This set was really stretchy. So like I said, it's really stretchy to the point where if you got a size down, it really wouldn't matter because it has a lot of stretch to it. I had to say this last piece. Now y'all seen a striped dress in my last fashion overhaul, and I loved it because it had the bell bottom sleeves to match the whole striped dress. This one I absolutely love. Something about this dress, it looks really tight. I mean, well I didn't show that part, but when before I put the dress on, it looked really tight as to where I looked like I couldn't fit in it. This dress is everything. Sleeves on this dress. So you know the sleeves, like where you have the dress on, it covers like half of the hand. Like, I love that. I don't know what it is about that, but I love that so much. Where you can cover like your hand like that with the dress. This dress is absolutely affordable. It looks like I got a booty in this dress. I absolutely love it. And it comes to the knee area. Either one of those color striped pointies with this, which will set it off with a pretty round clutch or round purse, something like that. So with a choker, because this is like a off the shoulder, so off the shoulder thing says chokers to me. So it's only available in multicolor. That dress will run you about $34.99, and that is a size medium. I really hope that you enjoyed this Fashion Nova haul. All the items were under $50, so even if they weren't under $50, so my code XXBrianaXX. If you didn't hear anything clearly or want more deets about these items, please check the description right below for all the sizing, links to the products. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Keep on slaying, honey, no matter what size you are, and I'll see you guys on the next one.